Biafra banike, ona wakusirike. Biafra banike, ona wakusirike.
Igbo rienu, Igbo nwụọnụ. Ekene m onye ukwu, kene onye nta, kene nwoke, kene nwaanyị, kene ndị nze na ọzọ, kene onye echichi ọbụla nke onye chi ya zere. Igbo dum ya dịka echi na echi anaghị agụ agụ. Ana m ekene ụmụ Biafra niile all over the world na ndị nke nọkwa n'obodo anyị nọ na ya. Na mana ayọ ka Chukwu okike abịa ma kpudo ma chebe anyị. Ise ọpụpụ anyị na mbata anyị, Chukwu okike abịa ma ya na-eche anyị. Anyị gbuo n'aka nna anyị egbute, anyị gbuo n'aka ekpe anyị egbute ụmụ Biafra. Anyị bụ ụmụ Chineke, ndị agọziri agọzi, ndị a na nsọ ife anyị wụ. Ana m asị ka Chukwu okike abịa ma chebe anyị na ọpụpụ anyị na mbata anyị. Ise ụmụnne m, o nwere ihe nji maka ewebe na this live video na this evening, because I've been appearing. Ebido m na-eme live video of recent, because na ọ bụ ihe jọgburu denesi gbuo nkapụ, that na a full grown men dịka billionaire males enwere ana Igbo bụ ana Biafra ya nọ ife a na-emebi. I'm talking about those that never believe in Biafran or in restoration of Biafran. Because when you join up that, many of them cannot say, Biafra will not work. Biafra na manwishe. Biafra ndani ne wundi make investment na Yoruba. Many of them wundi make investment na Hausa. Many of them ni ne we check it off man. For them have a full blood Igbo. Blood means up one way or the other, maybe by Hausa way or by Yoruba way, if I'm not mistaken. Because this struggle I am today, it may not be for me, it may not be for you watching me. But then we can blow for Omo for the betterness of Omo, for the betterness of Omo. Because in the Naiha, many of them has gone. In the Naiha, many of them has gone. Many of them bunde no aga Biafra. Many of them bunde no aga mbano war Biafra. Many of them has gone. Despite from the years they lived and for long Hancha which I go join all their ancestors, the so-called Nigeria zoo are keep on deceiving us up to today. And the go aboye not there. And the go aboye not there. Well, property no well, some way property anywhere on Abuja there about on other side. There's nothing like Biafran. If not that you are fooling yourself. Don't you see that you are fooling yourself? Don't you see that you are fooling yourself? I can't talk about five hefty men, rich men in Nigeria today. Oh yeah, there is in a mona hand about Biafran on them. Or they can be in a story, or they can be in a hand. Because why? They have investment here and there. But my dear brothers, let me tell you people, let me advise people. Ọ ka mma ka achụ ewu ojii n'oge before ochi ejie. Adama Ọnịcha gwara Obosi o. Maka ndị a na ndị a. Maka ndị a na ndị a. Because ihe na-eme na ana Igbo today. Ihe na-eme na ana Igbo today is unbelievable. By Hausa Fulani. By Fulani Herdsman. I can do it say Canadian Eastern Security Network. Our able leader Nnamdi Kanu work Telani to come and help and save our old women at home, Nejubo, and our brothers and sisters, Nejubo. Can we keep the same? Because the Herdsman Emeka Nihe, Emeka Nihe, Emeka Nihe. Acquired. Upon despite all those things, still up to today, some fools that call themselves Biafran, but they are not. If you have now Igbo, man, how long Igbo? They are still telling you that Biafran will not come. I don't think that Biafran will come. How can I without mind? Even then, Igbo sign go there, show a stamp. Then who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I'm saying, who are you that saying that Biafran will not come? Who are you? Ebe Chukwu okike abịa ma de go there, sign go there, show a stamp. so oge ruo na mgbe anyị na-achịtawa azụ chụọ ewu ojii n'oge maka chi ewe jinarị anyị, which is what our able leader Nnamdi Kanu na-eme today. Because that's no okay, anaghị anọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ogbere. All how our able leader na-eme today is a God sent. He is a God sent on our own time. Look at what so-called governors, look at Ihana Nakohiri over there. Governor of Oben State say, let us come for negotiation. I am ready to negotiate with the unknown gunmen. My dear brothers and sisters, if you're na okwu abana na okwu ụmụazị, oge ruo na mgbe anyị akpakpa nke ogene akpọpụta ndị gọvanọs a niile ha bịa soro eme kpakpa nke ogene, because I believe no nwere so many of us ndị mmadụ dị isi ikwu a nkwu na kpakpa nke ogene egwu anyị guru mgbe anyị pere mpe ọhịa ya akpọpụtagasị ma ụmụ ha ma ụzọ dị mgba ma so call and so forth. Ha niile ha pụta akpọpụta ha, anyị ebidola ha dọta egwu mgbe ugbu ahụ kpakpa nke ogene onye na-akpọ ogene ụmụnna kwụ na ote na-akọwa. So oge ruo na mgbe anyị akpọpụta ha ka anyị gụọla ha dị egwu, ka anyị ha gụọ egwu, anyị gbagba ụmụazị, ha chọrọ ime anyị ụmụazị, ha chọrọ ịnụ acha ibughachi eji anyị azụ, ka anyị bidokwa asị ụmụazị that you are ready for negotiation. Negotiate what? With who? Who are you to negotiate with us? Who are you to negotiate with unknown men? Unknown men. Mgbe ha na-eme ihe niile ha na-eme, ha gwara gị ọrụ ha niile ha na-alụ today na Nigeria, ha gwa gị ha need negotiation, ha gwa gị na ha need your money, ha gwa gị na ha need anything from the zoo. No. All they want is Biafra. That is all they want. So stop wasting your time and stop wasting your money and stop wasting your energy. Men that you are ready to negotiate. Negotiate for what? There is nothing like negotiation, my brother. There is nothing like negotiation. There is nothing like what? Negotiation. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ. Na unu erika anyị, unu ọbụ ndị kpọrọ onwe ndị Nigeria zoo, unu erika anyị, ka na-erikwa ya up to today. And we said no. We said no. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We said no. Unu erika anyị, unu ọbụ ndị zoo, unu erika anyị, enough is enough. Ọ dị ka okwu Senator Dino Melaye na-ekwu mgbe ọ nọ na Senator Dino Melaye, okwu ọ na-ekwu mgbe ọ nọ na Senate. Ọ sị gị, if you say the truth, you will die. If you don't say the truth, you will die. So we are here now to say the truth. And what is going to happen, let it happen. But bearing in mind that you are not Chukwu Kikabiama, you are an ordinary fellow human being like me. You are a human being like me, despite that you are there as a governor, despite that you are there as a zoo president, despite that you are there as a senator, despite that you are there as this or that, but you are just a human being like me. The only thing, Jikolo Mona Gay as a zoo governor there about is only 6 feet. That is it. There is no difference. There is no difference. There is no difference. On whatever you do, on whatever you did, whatever, whoever are you, or what position are you? The only thing Jikolo Monage with the 6 feet. Useless fools, governors over there in zoo. The zoos not koheri. You are here for negotiation. Negotiate with who? Who are you negotiating with? Who are you negotiating with? Are you negotiating with the spirit? Do you want to negotiate with the spirit? Or don't you know that those people you want to negotiate, don't you know that they are spirits? And you want to negotiate with them? Is it impossible for a living to negotiate with a spirit? It's not possible. So, that Biafran is here to stay and Biafran is here to come. We don't need one Nigeria again. One Nigeria should go to hell. We don't need one Nigeria. What we need is Biafran. What we need is Biafran. Look at so many souls have been wasted in Biafran land. So many souls have been wasted in Biafran land. Or does it mean that those people that have been wasted, are they, don't they have the children? Or na or na are they not from one or two or other families? Are they animals? Are they not human beings like you? And they will say, Hana and Moses. In a someone Nigeria, in a for negotiation. Because now none of your brother or none of your children has gone down. Because they believe in they believe in that now. Obumma, and I hope because no one of you so-called governors over there. One of your son, of unu, or unu, or one unu work out ago. They believe no you are hanako. Because the thing can fool a fenanti. So this video made this night and now. Onye nwere ntị ọnụ. Onye nwere ntị ọnụ. Okwu m n'izizi abụrụ gịnị? Ka a chụwa ewu ojii n'oge before chi ejie. Ka a chụwa ewu ojii n'oge before chi ejie. Ka ọ hapụ ịdị late. And the second topic bụ we Biafrans are not here for negotiation. We are here for the freedom of what? Biafran. That is all we want. So you can leave your negotiation, you can leave whatever you have, you can take whatever you have. All we need is our freedom. That's all. My dear brothers, I thank you for those joining me, those that are listening to me, those that are watching me. I'm going to say, Chukwu abịa machedo Chukwu abịa mabuchi unu ise, nke onye na-eme ya gazie, and nke onye chiri ya zero ise. As you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ọgazienu, mma bịakwa ọzọ n'oge na-adịghị anya, hụ ọgbọkwa sọ m ndị tụrụ okwu gasị. Ngwa ya ma anụ mma, ka chi jee.